Yesterday I noticed the peaches were actually starting to turn, well, peach. So, some of them are still hard, but most of them have a little bit of squish to them. And unfortunately, as we can see, several have already fallen and gotten skished on the ground and chewed on by critters, so looks like today is the day to collect these peaches. Obviously my ladder isn't going to reach all the way up here, so this will be interesting. I've already grabbed 4 of them, ate one and put the other 3 in the fridge, so came back out with a box and a ladder. Let's see if we can't get some peaches. happens. Some of these have got some bug marks on them, but most of them are edible. Damn, the bugs really got to these this year. That one might be mostly savable. And the chickens will enjoy any with bug holes in them. Oh, shit. I don't want to hit them down with a stick. That'll hurt them. Shit. So there are 11 peaches still on the tree that don't want to come down yet, and yeah, this is what has come down for edible peaches. I gotta count these up, and then there's the pile that the bugs got to too much, where they fell down and got squished. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 of those. 16 and 11, that's 27, plus the one I already ate, 3 I put in the fridge, 31, and then I ate another one, that's 32. And I gotta count these up. Bumper crop for peaches this year. Tree's on its way out, as you can see. I cut a bunch of dead stuff off of it, but bumper crop so far. Hey everybody, I was just out here collecting Aronia berries for like 5-10 minutes, working my way through the bush, no problem, no issues, everything's calm and chill, and I'm grabbing my berries and I'm collecting my berries, and all of a sudden, out of nowhere, I feel something land on my thumb, and then a sharp pang, and then before I know what's happening, the inside of my arm gets nabbed. Big nasty nasty right there, as we can see. And foolish me, even though I was, you know, being delicate, there's a fucking wasp nest right here in this willow tree right next to the Aronia berry bush. So right now I'm maybe 6 feet from it, and I guess I jostled this bush too much, and I don't know, I must have had 100 Aronia berries in my shirt, and now they are scattered all over the ground here, because when I started getting stung, I immediately abandoned ship and went fleeing into the house right through the flowers here, and so now I don't know where my Aronia berry harvest is. It's all over the ground. So there's some. I'm going to very cautiously try to recover the Aronia berries I've already collected. The problem is there's the wasp nest. I'm pretty much underneath it, and yeah, our pollinator friends who need more personal space were not thrilled that I was jostling this Aronia berry bush around. You know, 4 feet from their hive, and they're big gnarly fuckers, so I don't want to get stung again. So wish me luck as I try to recover berries right underneath their hive here. Ouch.